Hey there, Paul Bissonnette here, former NHL superstar turned media sensation. And as you know, these days, I spend most of my time flying around the globe, slinging vodka and talking puck. But today, I'm not here to talk about backdoor tap-ins or odd man rushes. I'm at the Watson Gloves headquarters taking on even bigger responsibilities. And why, you ask? Well, let's just say around here, some things need to change. I'm proud to announce that I'm putting these hands to work as the new CEO of Watson Gloves. It's quite the honor. Now, for my first order of business, the new Spittin Chiclets Watson Gloves collection. And I'm personally overseeing every little detail with my care, love, and attention. Oh yeah, and a lot more changes are coming. I'm improving corporate culture through team building activities, like responsible nights on the town with colleagues. Next, I'm investing millions into scientific research. The results have been absolutely stunning. And I'm testing our new products all over the world, like when I'm back home in Canada. Check out these bad boys. I'm even adding a pocket for storage. I'm a goddamn genius. Last time I told you Watson Gloves makes gloves for everything. Well, now I'm here to tell you that Watson makes gloves for anything. Anything. That doesn't even make any sense, Biz! What are you even saying? Stay in school, you idiot! Tell me you don't love it. Get out.